Don't say that.
Welcome to the Travel Channel, because I got myself a Bodie's Burger, which has been featured on Burgerland in the Travel Channel. No big deal. And I got my tots. Welcome to day 36, by the way. Okay, my apologies for leaving so many holes in today's video. So basically, it's 2:30 right now, and I am hanging out with Jacob and Heather, Two Slice. And we were able to get a hitch into town so that we could grab some supplies and some beer and stuff, and then we're gonna try to hitch back. So this morning, just woke up, had an awesome breakfast again at the same place in Ghost Ranch, and I'm planning on taking the day off today and not going until tomorrow because I need to send a box ahead into Colorado. So I have to wait for the post office to open because today's Sunday. So just spent the morning hanging out, talking, and then doing some logistics with backpack and all that, and putting that box together for tomorrow, and had breakfast, and now we're off here. Just had a good lunch, and we're gonna try our luck to hitch back, but it'll be hard to get as much luck as we did already because Heather stuck that magic female thumb out, and we got our first hitch off the very first vehicle that passed us. That has never happened in my life, so to beat that is gonna be pretty tough, or even to match it. So we'll see how it goes. Look at the face of shame. This is Heather failing. It's been 1 minute, 3 cars have come by, and we got nothing out of her. She's useless. Trail has been going through every town. Yeah.
Yeah, that's place was. I don't, you know,
She was such
All right, my transition to hiker trash is complete. We're drinking 40s. Here's one part of Ghost Ranch, because I just realized I never gave you guys a tour. That down there's a dinosaur museum. So they have a lot of dinosaur fossils that they found here. They also have a campground, which is where we are back there, next to these beautiful mesas, and some motels style place for people to stay. There's also cottages, a dining hall, a pool, they have a church, and art studios, and auditorium for bands to play, and they got a place, a horse corral, and all kinds of stuff. So this place is bumping out here, and set back in one of the most beautiful places you could find. It's very nice here.
It says it's charging. It's at 5%.
Just got some powdered milk from Mac and Cheese. I grabbed it out of the hiker box for me. Thank you so much, guys. It's good to have. I usually mix it with my cocoa powder, and it makes a hot chocolate much better. It's delicious. I also picked up a nice little cheap pair of skizzers so that I can get this beard under control. So we'll see how that goes.
Hit it.
You want me to just play Piano Man now? You just did an intro.
Just do it. Play the piano, man.
No Piano Man.
It's hard to play ultras.
Jacob's contribution is the best. Check out that pot. And those dinosaurs. I mean, that's pretty cool, right?
Check out Nicole Janes.
Yeah, check out Nicole James.
She went to the States now. She's talking to one of the best surgeons in the States, trying to get her leg fixed for soccer. Wow. Yeah, I think that whole trip.
So we just hitched back to Bodie's again to get more beer. So I'm holding this baby like a baby. And these crazy kids over here, we got the same thing. 640s. Whoops. Oh man, gonna have a good time tonight. Oh, and thanks to Two Slice here, we had some very easy hitching today. Second car out to Bodie's we got our hitch, and then probably like the half-hour trip, and then like 2 minutes after Bodie's, we got our next hitch out. Perfect. And here's the dining hall where we've been getting food for like 2 straight days. It's a big operation. Tons and tons of seats here. On Saturday, this place was actually completely chock full with like hundreds of people. Pretty good food today. And a bunch of other buildings to check out around here. So we head outside. Ooh, they have a couple pools. And beautiful mazes in the background. Then out here they just have like cottages, hotel, motel type stuff. Excuse me. Out there they have a library. Over there they have a church. And then they got like this wide open field where there's just sheep running around and hanging out. Over here's some more outside seating from the dining hall. And they have some more lodging over there with like motel style lodging. Over here they have an auditorium, which is where they were playing the Bluegrass Festival the other night. And further down there's even some more cottages out here for people to stay in. Y'all can't see me because I'm drunk inside my tent right now, but it's bedtime. Had an excellent time. A bunch of hikers ended up dropping over by the campsite, kind of on a 1x1 style, just to hang out with us and drink some of the foodies of Miller High Life and Steel Reserve, because we are classy like that. And so the day was just spent relaxing, just waiting for the post office to open for tomorrow and Monday, and doing pretty much nothing. And just hitched out to Bodie's twice just to get alcohol and food and some other stuff. So the hitches are fun. Met some nice, cool people, and as well as other campers. So it was a kind of a social day, and which is why I didn't film much, because I don't really like filming people. I just feel like it makes them feel uncomfortable, so I didn't really film too many interactions with us, other than the people who have given me explicit permission, like Jacob and Two Slice. So I'll be chilling with them tonight, and then tomorrow hoping to get that mail out and be on our way. So that is the end of day 36. If I have any pictures, I'll throw them up for you, but other than that, we'll see you tomorrow.